made it to Crater Lake and we got it for free. We're about to do a hike. It's kind of behind those trees. But this is beautiful. This is the most beautiful lake I've ever seen for sure. What you think?
It's pretty cool.
She was about to go pee. She was about to go pee right there, wasn't she? Still got a ways to go. How you feeling? How tired are you? 1 through 10?
To be determined.
Okay. She said a 2. Christina's being brave. Hold that, buddy. Look at that girl. Watch your footing. Don't be brave too much.
Oh my God.
Look at her.
Buddy, no,
Buddy, stay back. We are so close to the top of Garfield Mountain. Right up there. Crater Lake. Final stretch right here. Almost to the top. 8,150 feet or something close to that. Coming towards the top. Waiting for Christina because we're doing it together. Top of Garfield Peak. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! 1 out of 10. 10? I'd say it's a 10,000. See how the clouds are spilling over?
Yeah.
Like on top. We got Nutella and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'm about to enjoy them up here on the top of Garfield Peak. Yep, I'm taking a video.
Oh!
That'd be cute.
Woo!
Now you do it.
You know what I would think would be like kind of cool? That hacks like these, like they tell who's like discovered it first. Who's the first person came up here and said, "Hey guys, it's a badass view up there. You should make it a thing."
They have that in the brochure.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. I read that. It's 3 guys. I wasn't supposed to climb up here. Christina's all mad at me. Christina! That's the mountain we just finished. About 1,100 elevation gains.